In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use and customize styles in LibreOffice Writer, a crucial skill for anyone who wants to create professional-looking documents with ease. We'll start by opening the program and then move through some simple yet powerful features that will help automate and streamline the styling process. First, let's open LibreOffice Writer. If you haven't started the program already, simply locate the LibreOffice icon on your computer screen and give it a double click. This action will bring up the Start Center. Once there, look for the option that says Writer Document. Click it, and you're now in the main interface of LibreOffice Writer, ready to begin styling your text. Now that we have LibreOffice Writer open, our next step is to bring up the Styles panel. This is a powerful tool that allows you to apply consistent formatting throughout your document with just a few clicks. Head up to the top menu and find the option labeled Styles. Click it and then select Manage Styles. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press the F11 key to get there more quickly. You'll notice a sidebar appearing on the right side of your screen. This is your Styles sidebar. It includes several categories such as paragraph styles for formatting headings or body text, character styles for tweaking individual words or phrases, page styles for adjusting the overall layout, frame styles for images or text boxes, and list styles for bullets and numbers. We can now apply one of these paragraph styles to some text. Go ahead and type something into your document, perhaps the word moonlight. Once you've entered your text, highlight it to select. Then, shift your attention to the Styles sidebar and click on Heading 1. Instantly, you'll see your text transformed into a visually distinct heading. For transforming your text into standard paragraph formatting, just click Text Body. With these options, there's no need to manually adjust the font size, bold settings, or spacing. But what if the preset styles don't quite fit your needs? That's where customization comes in handy. You can modify a style to better suit your document's unique requirements. In the Styles sidebar, find the style you want to adjust. Let's say Heading 1, right-click on it and choose to Edit Style. This will open a dialog where you can make various changes. Want a different font? You could switch to Arial or Times New Roman. Need a specific size? Set it to Stalin PT or whatever fits your vision. You can also tweak alignment, choosing between left, centered, and more, as well as adjust spacing before and after paragraphs. Once you've tailored the style to your liking, simply click OK, and there you have it. Your settings are updated, reflecting immediately in your document. By following these easy steps, you not only streamline your workflow, but also ensure that all your documents have a uniform, polished appearance. It's an efficient way to work smarter, not harder, and produce consistent, high-quality work each time you open LibreOffice Writer.